Good morning, guys. I thought today I would do something a little bit different, so I'm going to do a kind of a vlog slash what I eat in a day, just because I've never done it before. There was a little bit of interest on it, so I'm gonna do it, so why not? So first thing I'm putting into my tummy, it is 9 something. We got up late this morning. We didn't get up until like after 9 because we were up late last night live streaming, and I had a bang at like 9:30, 10 o'clock last night, so I probably did not get to sleep until probably about 3 o'clock in the morning. So it was a late morning for us this morning. So I'm drinking my coffee. It is legit just plain old coffee with some sugar-free creamer in it. I don't do the bulletproof coffee thing. My tummy just can't handle that for some reason. So I just do just plain old coffee with some regular sugar-free creamer in it. I'll probably have a couple of cups of this before I eat food. And right now I'm playing Minecraft. It looks like I'm playing Minecraft, but I'm actually working, getting things set up for tonight's live stream. So, it looks like I'm having fun and playing, but it's really not because I'm organizing crap and bleh. But anyway, yeah. So, all right, so that is what I am doing right now. And as soon as I eat some food, I will let you guys know. So see you in a bit. Bye. Jesus, you make the darkness tremble. Jesus, Jesus, you silence fear. Jesus, Jesus, you make the darkness tremble. Jesus, Jesus. Totally deep frying the heck out of this egg. It is 11:11. Make a wish. I am wishing that my breakfast is delicious. Well, my first meal is delicious. It is 11:11, and this is my first meal of the day. This is my little stack up. My sausage is under there. There's my egg and some cheese on top, because it's delicious. And I know it looked like that I had like a ton of fat. This is how much fat is still left in the pan. I really honestly don't typically cook with that much fat, but this is my first meal, which I usually don't eat my first meal this late. Usually I'm eating something about 9:30. So I'm getting a little more fat in just because. And I don't really track or count anything, but yeah, that's it. My awesome Spider-Man plate. Spider-Man, Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. So for any fellow weight loss surgery people out there, any fellow sleevers out there who are wondering, I am, let's see, it is 2000, wow, I am like 6 years out from my VSG surgery, and that was 1 sausage patty, 1 egg, and around an ounce of cheese, I think. And yes, I was able to eat it all. I am satisfied. I'm not like overly stuffed. I'm not like overly full or anything like that. I legit was sitting here talking like for 2 full minutes to a camera that wasn't even turned on. Guys, there's just not enough coffee in the world. Anyway, what I was telling y'all is this is what I'm doing today. I'm gonna clean this. And then my floors. My pretty Christmas tree. I love my Christmas tree. Look, there's my favorite ornament. He's beautiful, my pink elephant. He's so pretty. He's my favorite. Okay, yeah, my floors. So we've had a kind of a wet last few days, and the dogs have tracked in so much dirt and mud. It is just so disgusting. And so yeah, I am totally cleaning that up today. And then I'm gonna clean off my table. We're gonna make some snowmen today using these and some white paper, and I might do some accessories or something for them later. I don't know, we shall see. So yeah, that's it. It is like noon-ish. It's about 12:15. So I haven't eaten anything yet since my first meal. And I may not eat anything until, you know, 3 or 4. I don't know. It depends on if I get hungry or not. So yeah, I'm gonna go turn on some Dance Moms and start working on that monstrosity. So, yep, see y'all in a bit. Love you, bye. Hey guys, here's my lunch. It is just some shredded chicken. There's a mix of white meat and dark meat in there, and then I cooked it up with some little bit of salsa, some cream cheese, and literally a bouillon cube and pepper, and that is it. So that is lunch, and I will show you how much I ate when I'm done. Hey guys, so I'm not going to show you my bowl, but well, yeah, I am. Why not? Why not? Like, I don't mind taking my dirty office. You guys have already seen my dirty office. Okay, anyway, so there's my bowl. So I actually ate all of what was in there beforehand, and then I went back and I got seconds because I was still hungry. So that was probably, the first batch was probably about a half a cup, and I probably got another quarter cup. So I probably ate about 3/4 of a cup in all. And my husband actually ate less than I did. This is one of those instances where he ate less than I did this time. All right, I'm really full right now. I'm not like hurting. I'm not like, I think I'm gonna puke or anything full, but I'm full. So I'm, depending on how I feel, I may or may not eat anything else until like 8 o'clock tonight or so. I don't know, maybe. It's actually, it's like 3:41 right now. See, can you see the time there? I'm not looking, but yeah. So it's, you know, so I didn't even eat until probably 3:30. Maybe it was 2:30, and it just took me a while, but yeah. So yeah, I may or may not eat until like 7 or 8 tonight, if even then. Ultra close up. Ooh, don't you love how I always look in the viewfinder? Hi guys, how you doing? Seriously, that always drives me crazy when I'm watching a YouTuber and they're talking to the viewfinder instead of talking to me. But I find myself looking at the viewfinder, so maybe if I turn it that way, there, I turned it around, so now I'm not going to look at it because I'm looking at you. All right, anyway, guys, so if I eat anything else, by the way, I wanted to show you how my beautiful living room looks now. You guys watched me clean it. I'm so proud of it. It looks so pretty. It looks so pretty. I need to do something with this bowl of stuff here. This is like my books, and this is like my Bible study stuff, and this is my journal, my bullet. It's a bullet journal. It's not a bullet journal, but I use it as such. And then a Bible study book. This, by the way, is such a great series, the Sunshine Girl series. If you have not read it, it is amazing. The author, Paige, is just a fabulous young woman, so talented. Go check out the Haunting of Sunshine Girl Network on YouTube. It's amazing. My son's Kindle that may or may not work anymore. You know, just like little odds and ends here that I do throughout the day. But I kind of want to do something else with them because I'm going to get a huge bag of mixed nuts so that I can put in there. And that way, hubby and I can sit here during movie time, and instead of munching popcorn, you know, we're doing the mixed nut things because it actually takes a while with the actual ones in the shells because you got to shell them and all that stuff. So yeah, so I need to find a place to put all the other stuff. And look! It's a Jakers!
Wait, turn the thing. No, the other thing. No, the other thing.
Oh, you want to see yourself. Did y'all see what he did to himself? Did you see what he did to himself? Look at this. Look at this. Can you see this? He stamped his face all over He looks like the Jigsaw toy, didn't he? What is the puppet on Saw? He looks like that to me. He did that last night. This boy is 11 years old, y'all. I thought we outgrew this when he was 5. I legit did. But he's a hoot. Aw, and look, it's a Gandalf. Hi, say hi.
It's a Frodo.
It's a Gandalf and a Frodo. Say hi, Frodos. Say hi. So, total day of eating / vlogger fail. I completely forgot to show you guys my dinner. So, I'm going to show you that right now. After I make a mess. Okay, so I had some yogurt marinated venison. The marinade, this is what I marinated, and I actually made some extra to use as a sauce. It's Greek yogurt, oregano, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and it is absolutely divine. And so I actually marinated the venison for about 20 minutes, and I probably could have marinated it way longer. And then I made my daughter this version that yummy. That it was an Asian style that had soy sauce, ginger, all kinds of yummy stuff. So the idea was we take this part and you dip it in this part like so, and you eat it. I'm good. It's so good. Okay, and then I just hunked up some zucchini and cooked it in an obscene amount of butter because the venison is super low in fat and the Greek yogurt is actually low in fat. So I added a lot of butter to the zucchini, cooked it until it was tender, and then when I served this, I actually put some of the butter from the pan on top, and it was delicious as well. So, all right. And now we have a dog and a Snuggie. Yay!
It's like, I want bites.
Do you want a bite?
He wants bites.
You want a bite?
He wants
Okay.
bites.
Come here. Sit. Say please. Good boy. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Anyway, all right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Ooh, camera person.
Cameraman.
Keep it steady. Good job. All right. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you found this helpful. If you do, please consider giving me a like. And if you haven't already, click the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss another video. So that is it for me, guys. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video and found this helpful. I love y'all so much. Thank you so much for coming on this journey with me. You're amazing and awesome and wonderful. And don't forget that you are created in the image of a loving God who thinks you are absolutely amazing just the way you are. I love you guys so much, and I'll see y'all later. Bye!